Now, Angels Primary are the new champions of the Portmore Primary School's netball competition after dethroning Marlimont Primary in the final recently. Denise Walters tells us more.
Angels Primary, who were third in the inaugural staging last year, made no mistakes in the second staging as they exacted revenge on Marlimont, who had kicked them out at the semi-final stage, winning 26-21. Now, Angels took the first quarter by a slim margin, 7-6. It was still close going at half-time, but the score 13-11. However, Angels put some distance between the two with a 21-15 scoreline at the end of the third quarter. But despite winning the fourth quarter 6-5, it was not enough for Marlimont as they came up short 21-26.
It wasn't the best game, but at the end of the day, an ugly win is better than a pretty loss, so I'm just grateful. Our game plan was just score a center pass. When it's not our center pass, we just get back, mark, and in the end, we shall come out on top.
Trudy and Green is the coach of Marlimont Primary.
Well, our game plan was to lock down the defense in the middle with the Angels, but they got the better of us. And because we have done this before, we give them a chance, because we have done this before. So I'm grateful for the second place, and I'm happy for the team that won.
Meanwhile, Portsmouth Primary won the third place playoff, defeating Bridgeport Primary 19-10.
The game plan was to bounce back from last week and come in to execute, because I know the girl, I know their strength, and I know they can do it.
Angels goal attacker Shari Moffat was the most valuable player, while Demoya Foster of Portsmouth was the best defensive player.
I feel very happy. I feel very proud of myself. Coming into this competition, I knew I wanted to be the MVP, and I worked towards it. And this is just another step towards my dream to be a sunshine girl.
Yes, I plan to play netball in high school. I plan to go to college. So good, excited.
In the meantime, Director at Netball Jamaica, Denise Palmer, says the competition is a good look for grassroots development in Jamaica.
So seeing this finals today, it uplifts me very, very much because one, both teams, you can see that they were well trained. You can see that the ladies have a passion. They cried. They said the amount of eye water from Marlimont. They came out, they gave their all, and it's a bright future with these young ladies. And the others got take nothing away from the other 14 teams. They did well in the competition.
Chadwick White, the competition's director at the Portmore Primary Schools Sports Association, says throughout the competition, Angels and Marlimont stood out.
You could see that they were well-trained, well-coached team, and they know the game. So I expected that for this finals, it would have been a close one.
And Angels Primary took home $40,000, while Marlimont pocketed $25,000. Portsmouth got $15,000, while Bridgeport walked away with $10,000. Southborough Primary was voted the most disciplined team and was awarded $10,000. Angels also won the dress parade. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.